Just another morning for the mountain police enjoying a fresh cup of coffee. Then a dangerous situation was reported. The sheriff drove up the mountain roads to the guardhouse and talked over a plan with Rocky Raccoon, the chief of animal police. Rocky began alerting his team, Yogi and Boo Boo Bear, Eagle, Skunk Patrol, and Balto the dog. Then Rocky ran down to the lake and consulted with Bucky Beaver. Meanwhile, the notorious Rex Fury had arrived. He was followed and watched by Eagle and Skunk. Rex gathered with his two criminal associates and hatched a plan to rob the animal bank. Hawk and Owl reported back to Rocky, and they made a plan to trap the three robbers. Rex and his two goons arrived at the animal bank. Opening the bank door, they were immediately surprised by shrieking skunks and fled the scene to escape a cloud of skunk spray. But they ran right into a scary roadblock, howling and threatening Balto, Rocky, Yogi Bear, and Bucky Beaver. Turning back, the three bad guys ran into the skunk patrol, shooting a new cloud of skunk spray. They were trapped, and they knew it. They fell to the ground. Rocky pushed them into the animal control truck, and they were taken away. The mountain police congratulated the animal police team for a job well done.